yung the very real replica of an object. Tapos, if you supply mirrors with anything, it has the capacity to multiply it. So what we have here are just cross sections, slices, na chosen carefully para pag nag-replicate siya, it will make sense. Ako si Marcos Tignani. May show ko rito ngayon sa Ateneo Art Gallery. Ang title niya ay Void of Spectacles, Reflections on Passages Through Time and History. Yun kasing suspended fall. Yung frozen ka in the middle of mahuhulog ka. Pero para ka nang lumilipad. And ramdam mo lang yung gravity. May natural instinct tayo to protect ourselves. So takot tayong mahulog. And yet we are curious beings. And that makes living beings wonderful. Dati ko pa naman concern ang idea ng heaven, tsaka yung kung nasan tayo yung earth at yung disconnect ba sa pagturo kunwari ng western influence na religion na parang split, may split siya, pero ang idea natin noon isa lang siya eh. So parang perfect yung mirror para ilabas ng mga concepts na to. Pati yung tungkol sa matter tsaka non-matter. Matter and spirit, stuff and non-stuff. Ayun, so nag-extend na siya sa kung saan-saan. Pero dun siya naka-anchor na yung idea na what we think of as matter is actually also an illusion. Kasi most of it is empty. Kasi bakit tayo nagpo-proceed kahit na ganun? Kasi curious tayo. So, yung combination ng fear and wonder, yun yung tinatry natin i-sustain yung oscillation ng dalawang yun. Kasi magkaiba yun. Ang fear usually, lalayo ka, kaya lang curious ka, di ba? So, if you take the next step, and that next step leads you to another step and another step. Dito sa power center, for example, andun ka na sa kawalan. Pero punong-puno siya ng ibig sabihin kasi ikaw na ang magsusupply ng ibig sabihin. The primal role of fear and self-preservation, as well as the allure, the curiosity and wonder of what lies ahead. The call to embark on an adventure provides the framework for the stories woven throughout this body of work, which are plentiful. We delve into memories and construct our narratives based on them, ranging from tales of individuals, of families, nations, to reflections on nature, and ultimately the universal ponderings of how or why we have come into existence.